Good afternoon. This is Karin Chapman with Remax
Angela Beausoleil with Seacoast Bank.
and we just got done having one of the most surprisingly successful open houses here at 1395 Southwest Egret Way in beautiful Palm City, Florida. And we did not expect it to be as busy as it
No,
was.
It's a little breezy today, as you can tell.
It's overcast, not your typical sunny, beautiful sunny day, but it was supposed to rain, so we'll take this cool front.
Yeah.
It's actually
It's beautiful.
almost too cold.
Yeah,
right
we had
now.
everything opened up, and the breeze was whipping through the house, and we had to catch doors before they slammed. But it was really an awesome day, and glad I'm here for Karin because she could not have handled all this traffic.
No. I really was concerned that it may not have been that busy because of the weather, that people might stay home. We had people from Jupiter,
Chicago.
from the West Coast just here for the open house
Yeah.
for us, so that was flattering. And people said that the home, the pictures that they saw on the internet did not do the home justice, so that made us feel good too.
Yeah, it's a
A lot
beautiful
of
home.
positive feedback. So that's it. We're done.
Yeah, we're done.
It was
a great
mad
day.
crazy. Mad
Successful
crazy.
open house again.
Yep. Had agents coming too, sending their people, and agents here too. So that's always flattering.
And now it's starting to rain.
Yes. So we're
perfect
going
timing.
to end this now and put this puppy to rest. What a great day.
Hope you had a great
expected.
Sunday also.
Yep. So thanks for listening in. And as always, if you know of anyone looking to sell, please have them call me. I would like to see my sign in their yard. Angela?
And I'd love to help them with the financing.
That's right. She's amazing. She works crazy hours. She's very dedicated. That's why she's here. All right. Thank you so much.
Have a great afternoon,
Enjoy
everybody.
the rest of your day and this beautiful weather, and take in this view. Just beautiful. All right.